like so. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. Today I'm going to be doing a quick get ready with me. With that being said, let's get this day started. I'm going to go ahead and prime my face with the Wet n Wild Glass Correct. A little goes a long way. Just rub it in and start waking up that face of yours. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. Something quick and simple. Now I'm going to go ahead and get a fluffy brush. And I'm going to go in with the Jeffree Star Tense Morphe. Go in with, let's see, Mr. Diva. Using the same brush, I'm going to go in with Hi Dude. I'm going to go in with Welcome, just in the center. Like so. Now I'm going to get my eyelash curler. I'm going to use the Super Lash mascara. Don't want to use fake eyelashes today. I'm going to go ahead and use my Conceal Correct for my under eye bags. They are really showing, and right here where I have those scars. Blend it out a little. I'm going to be using the Maybelline New York Instant A31 Eraser Corrector right in the same spots that I used this. Setting spray, and I'm going to be using the e.l.f. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time, bye guys.